You ever pull up to the dealership parts counter, ask for one little sensor, and they hit you with a number that makes you check if you accidentally asked for a whole engine? Yeah, me too. And here's the thing nobody tells you. That same exact part, sometimes made in the same factory, is sitting on a shelf 20 minutes away for a third of the price. Today, I'm breaking down the 10 best cheap brands and stores that actually deliver quality parts without wrecking your wallet. And by the end of this video, you're gonna look at auto parts shopping completely differently. So grab a coffee, get comfortable, because this one's gonna save you some serious money. I remember a buddy of mine needed a new alternator for his Silverado. Dealership quoted him almost $400 just for the part before labor. He was ready to just pay it because he figured that's just what it costs. I told him to hold off, gave him one website to check, and 20 minutes later he found the exact same job for under $130, shipped to his door in 2 days. That's not a rare story either. That's basically every week for somebody out there who just didn't know where else to look, and that's exactly why I put this list together. Let's get one thing straight before we dive in. Cheap doesn't mean bad. Expensive doesn't automatically mean better either. A huge chunk of what you're paying for at a dealership or a big-name retailer is the label, the building, and the guy behind the counter's paycheck, not necessarily better metal or better engineering. Once you know where to look, you can get factory-level quality for a fraction of the price. So let's start running through the list. Number 1, and honestly, this one changed the game for a lot of DIY guys. RockAuto.com. If you haven't used this site yet, you're missing out. It looks like it hasn't been redesigned since 2003, and honestly, that's part of the charm, because they spend their money on inventory instead of flashy web design. You can pick your exact year, make, and model, and it'll show you every brand available for that part, from budget-friendly all the way up to OEM, side by side, with prices right there so you can compare instantly. Brake pads, alternators, control arms, you name it, this is where a lot of mechanics quietly shop when they're not working on customer cars. Number 2, AutoZone, specifically their in-house brand, Duralast. Now, I know AutoZone gets a mixed reputation online, but Duralast has actually stepped its game up a lot over the years. Their Duralast Gold line especially holds up well for everyday parts like brake pads, batteries, and starters. And the beauty of AutoZone is convenience. Free check engine light scans, loaner tools, and locations basically on every corner in America. Good for that emergency Sunday afternoon fix. Number 3. O'Reilly Auto Parts. Their Superstart batteries are seriously underrated, solid warranty, dependable cold cranking amps, and priced way below what you'd pay for a name brand battery at the dealership. Their Master Pro line for brakes and suspension parts is also worth a look. O'Reilly tends to have really knowledgeable staff too, so if you're new to this stuff, that's a real advantage. Number 4, Napa Auto Parts. Now, Napa sits in a bit of a sweet spot. They're not always the cheapest on the shelf, but their in-house brand parts have a strong reputation in the mechanic community for a reason: consistency. A lot of independent shops trust Napa because when a part says Napa on the box, it usually performs like it should. If you want that middle ground between cheap and bulletproof, this is where you land. Number 5. Advance Auto Parts, and specifically their CarQuest line. CarQuest actually used to be its own standalone chain before Advance bought them out, and the brand still carries that old-school reputation for quality. Their prices are competitive, and Advance runs online deals constantly. Stack a coupon code with a rewards discount, and you can walk away paying way less than sticker price. Number 6, and this one surprises people, Walmart. Now, I'm not saying go buy your timing belt at Walmart, but for the basics, oil, wiper blades, cabin air filters, basic engine filters, coolant, Walmart's SuperTech and other house brands are shockingly solid for the price, and multiple independent tests have shown their oil meets the same industry standards as premium brands. It's not glamorous, but for routine maintenance items, your wallet will thank you. Number 7. Amazon. with one big rule attached. Amazon can be a gold mine or a trap depending on who you're buying from. The trick is sticking to parts sold and shipped by Amazon directly or by verified major brands, and always checking that the reviews are for the actual part fitment, not just the packaging. Do that and you can score OEM equivalent parts from legit manufacturers like Bosch, Denso, and AC Delco for noticeably less than brick-and-mortar pricing. Number 8, eBay Motors, specifically for something a lot of people overlook, takeoff parts. These are brand new, genuine OEM parts that came off a vehicle when someone upgraded or modified it. Think somebody installs aftermarket headlights and sells the factory ones that came off, still practically new. You're getting real OEM quality for aftermarket pricing. You just have to be a little patient and know what you're looking for. Number 9, junk yards. And I mean the actual pull your own parts yards, like LKQ Pick Your Part, Pick and Pull, or your local You Pull It. This is the most old-school method on this list, and honestly one of the most satisfying. For things like mirrors, door handles, interior trim, or even entire sub-assemblies, you can grab genuine factory parts for pennies on the dollar compared to buying new. Bring your own tools, wear gloves, and budget a couple hours. But the savings are real. And number 10, don't sleep on the manufacturer's own economy lines sold through parts stores instead of the dealership. Motorcraft for Ford, AC Delco for GM, and Mopar for Chrysler products are literally the same parts the dealership uses, just without the dealership markup when you buy them through a regular parts store or online. This is one of the easiest wins on this whole list because you're getting genuine manufacturer engineering at aftermarket pricing. And here's a quick bonus tip before we wrap up, because this one alone can save you hundreds on the bigger jobs. When you're dealing with expensive components like alternators, starters, AC compressors, or transmissions, always check for a remanufactured or reman option before buying new. These are parts that get professionally rebuilt to factory spec, tested, and usually come with a solid warranty, sometimes even better than the new aftermarket version. You're basically getting OEM performance for half the price, and it's better for the environment too since you're not tossing a rebuildable core in a landfill. Most of the stores and sites we just talked about, Rock Auto especially, have a reman option sitting right next to the new one, so it's worth those extra 10 seconds to compare before you check out. If this video just saved you from an overpriced parts counter, do me a favor and smash that like button. It genuinely helps this channel grow. Drop a comment and let me know which one of these you're trying first, or if there's a brand you swear by that I didn't mention. I read every single one. And if you're serious about keeping your car running longer without wasting money, hit subscribe, because next up, I'm showing you the maintenance mistakes that are quietly killing your engine, and you do not want to miss that one. I'll see you in the next video.